Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use HubSpot Marketing Hub like a pro, step by step using smart and practical strategies for 2026. Let's get started. HubSpot Marketing Hub is an all-in-one platform that helps you attract visitors, generate leads, nurture prospects, and grow revenue. To use it effectively, everything starts with the right setup. First, organize your CRM. Make sure your contacts, properties, and lifecycle stages are correctly defined. Clean and accurate data is essential for automation and reporting. Next, focus on lead generation. Use landing pages, forms, and CT as to capture leads. Create clear headlines, strong offers, and simple forms to improve conversions. Now move to email marketing. Segment your contacts into lists based on behavior, interests, or lifecycle stage. Send targeted emails instead of generic campaigns. Use personalization tokens like first name or company name to increase engagement. To work like a pro, use workflows and automation. Automate lead nurturing with follow-up emails, delays, and if-then branches. Automatically assign leads, update properties, and notify sales when leads are ready. Use lead scoring to prioritize prospects. Score leads based on email engagement, page views, and form submissions. High-scoring leads should move quickly to the sales team. Take advantage of smart content. Show personalized content on emails and landing pages based on visitor data or lifecycle stage. Personalization helps increase clicks and conversions. Integrate ads and social media platforms. Connect Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn ads to track leads and ROI directly inside HubSpot. Use retargeting to bring visitors back into your funnel. Track performance using dashboards and reports. Monitor traffic, lead conversion, email performance, and revenue impact. Use insights to continuously optimize campaigns. In summary, using HubSpot Marketing Hub like a pro means combining lead generation, automation, personalization, and analytics. When used correctly, HubSpot helps you scale marketing efforts and drive real business growth in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.